Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you a Rosie's Studio haul. So I ordered this quite some time ago. I'm in Canada, and when you order from Rosie's Studio, you can choose a variety of different shipping methods. I always choose the one that's the cheapest and the one that usually isn't tracked. I did get this one tracked just because I spent a little bit more on this one, and I really wanted to make sure that it got to me and that there was a way to find it if it didn't. But I'm really excited about this. I took advantage of a sale that they had on, and I've been actually sort of watching their site and waiting for a sale like this to happen because there's so much of their collection that I really like. If you order paper from them, it can get more expensive. The 12 by 12 is more expensive to ship, and you can get charged duties and all this kind of stuff, as well as they have 6 by 6 paper pads, but those papers are really, really thin. So I've been waiting for them to have a really good sale on their ephemera and some of their embellishments so that I could take advantage of using the paper that I already have and combining it with their amazing ephemera packs, because I have not found a company that makes better ephemera packs than Rosie's Studios. So these are the ephemera packs. So let's see, what did we get? We got This Is Us. One of the things that I like about these ephemera packs is the volume of different ephemeras that you get in each one, the variety of shapes and sizes. So there's so many cute things. So there's 164 pieces in this one set. Anyway, so you can see here the cute icons and everything, all the little animals and critters, and just adorable. I really like the colors of this collection as well. And then to coordinate with that, I did pick up 2 of the ephemera packs with the floral die cuts. There are 70 pieces in each, and you can see the variety of flowers that you get, all in like my favorite kind of colors, pinks and yellows and the mint greens. So that coordinates together. And that is the This Is Us collection, which I can see here. So I also picked up more florals. Okay, and actually that too. Okay, so this is the Unconditional collection, and the ephemera that goes with it. It's actually meant to be kind of like a love-themed wedding pack of ephemera. And the reason why I got it is because I do a lot of the Valentine's Day swaps for one, so this would be a good collection for that. And they just, again, it's all the same kind of colors and icons and cute like layering pieces, the tags and stuff that I really enjoy working with. And to go with it, I also got 2 of the ephemera packs from the Unconditional collection. And this one doesn't have a picture on the back of the floral die cuts, so I'll take some out and just sort of show you a little peek. Like, look at how beautiful all of these are. Layering pieces of the different leaves and stuff as well. Really, really very pretty. All different sort of shapes and sizes. It's like, it's so cute. Like, really, really like that. I did get a couple other things to go with this Unconditional collection. I chose the chipboard pieces, and the interesting thing about their chipboard embellishments is that they're super thin. So if you are layering in like a mini album or on a card or something, it doesn't create a lot of bulk, but it does give you some dimension to the project. So those are cute. That's those there. And then also with the Unconditional, I got one of my favorite embellishments, puffy stickers. So you can see on here, you've got all of the different tickets and balloons and hearts, envelopes, some little words. So those are really cute. I'm happy to have 2. Also with the This Is Us collection, while I'm showing off puffy stickers, I did get the heart puffy stickers and the little icon puffy stickers. Like, those are just fabulous. Really love those. So yeah, so I have all of these from the collection. You've got the florals, the ephemera, the puffy stickers, the hearts, and the same with the other ones here with the chipboard pieces. And there's actually one more thing that's from this line, and this is the little tags. You are my happy, hello beautiful, thinking of you. So these are different sentiments that you could attach to a different card or scrapbook layout. Bring some depth to your project, because they do have some layering to them. So, and they've got that other little piece of texture with the string as the bow. So I like those. The third set that I've ordered is a work of heart, and this is the ephemera pack from that. And this is very colorful, very against the grain for my normal sort of color palette that I tend to be drawn to. But I thought that I would change things up a little and try the die cut shapes here. It's 226 pieces in this set, and they give you duplicates of everything, which I absolutely love. Here are the puffy stickers from this collection. Really adorable. And then some fun word and icon heart stickers. And then last but not least, and one of my favorite things and why I ordered what seems to be an entire box. How many did I get? 7. Okay. Also along the unconditional line, because these are my favorite colors, and I absolutely adore the faceted shine that these little gemstones bring to a project, I ordered 7 of them. So, and that is the unconditional collection. So I actually have quite a bit. So you can see it's my favorite because I ordered so many different pieces from that one collection. Although surprisingly, I only got the 1 embellishments. But I did get the 2 of the florals, the chipboards, the puffy stickers, yeah, the double puffy stickers. So all of that comes from the unconditional collection, because those are my favorite kinds of colors. And when you're working on a project, it's just nice to have icons and focal points. And if I wanted to make a card, I love that I can just add some ephemera to it. So I can leave a link down below to Rosie's studio. They often have a number of different sales in their clearance section, and I've got some really great things in the past. For Christmas, I had their Twinkle collection, I think it was. I got the entire thing completely discounted, like 75% off or something. And I always watch for their sales, because the shipping, you can get away with it being under $10. And you have to wait a while for it to be that price, but I don't mind waiting because I don't have a specific use for all of these things. Like, I didn't have a specific project that I wanted to work on immediately, but I just knew that these were things that I wanted to have, and I had been following their site and kind of keeping my eye on these things. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, liked and subscribed to my channel. I do quite a number of different videos. I do unboxings. I've started my gray hair journey series as well. I've stopped coloring my hair, so you can follow along with that if you are interested, if that's anything that you've ever considered. But yeah, I just use my YouTube channel now to just generally share things that are going on in my life, and having a lot of fun with connecting with people in a bunch of different capacities and communities. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.